So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zal Patel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 1356. How many numbers are smaller than the current number? This is very beginner and friendly array problem that help to improve comparison of the numbers. So let we start from the problem statement first. We are given an integer array called num. For every element in a array, we need to count how many numbers are smaller than it, and finally return the array containing all those count. For example, suppose number is 8, 1, 2, 2, 3. From 8, total 4 elements are smaller, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. For 1 there is 0 element. For 2 there is 1 element. For 2 there is 1 element. For 3 there is 3 element. The approach is simple. The simplest approach is brute force method. For every element we compare it with each other element. If another element is smaller, we increase the count, then store the count in the array. Let's move on the code. Let's start code. Wherein j equals to 0, we will use next loop for containing which contain j dot size if num of j array is less than number of I count plus plus answer dot push back to the count whichever, and at last return the answer. So the problem numbers s is to contain s. Oh sorry, this is the running code. In this code we create an vector called answer, then we run the outer loop from I equals to 0 to the size of the array. This loop selects the current element. For every element we analyze count is equals to 0. Then we run another code inside the loop. If num j array is less than num I array, then we found the smallest number, so increase the count. After checking all element, we push the count inside the answer vector, and we finally found the answer. So that was the solution for LeetCode 1365. How many numbers are smaller than the current number? This is the great beginner problem for understanding instead loop and comparison logic. Thank you for watching my video.